This is how Ruby turned out, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. How's it going? Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we have an awesome video. We're gonna be taking Ruby to her first car show. Now, I've only taken her to a cruise before and like car meets, but nothing like where you park it for like several hours. We gotta get her cleaned up first before the show, though. We're not ready. We do have the mats cleaned up. This is what they look like. I was just doing some maintenance work as well, cleaning the air filter. It needs the oil, but it looks pretty good for reusing it. We also polished the muffler tips, as you guys can tell. Not the best, but you guys should have seen the before and after. I think they came out pretty good, especially for a little quick minute job. So yeah, guys, let's get Ruby all cleaned up and ready for the show. I also managed to clean the engine bay a bit last night. Just a little touch up. Alright, this is what I usually use. Yeah, so it's ahead of the camera a bit. So we're here, we're in line. First, I'm gonna go ahead and find some parking. This is how Ruby turned out, guys. She's pretty clean. Alright, guys, we already made it here. We're at the car show. Got a spot here in the corner. You know, there wasn't much spots left when we got here, but this would do. We got a nice view. We got some Cobras, GT500. We're gonna go ahead and check out, so let's go ahead and do that. Right off the bat, guys, we have a Cobra right in front of us. We got a bunch of troquitas here. Ooh, I Spy with My Little Eye and S197. We got a lowrider being pushed. Let's take this car out. It's got the skinnies in the front, drags in the back. The forged carbon fiber spoiler. Looks nice. It's a nice build, guys. Sure, I follow this guy on Instagram. Yup. It's Brutus. We got this Car Club South Texas Speed over here. We got a G8 over here with no hood. A 5.0 with Lambo doors, guys. What do you guys think about that? Not my taste, but to each their own. It's nice. Little chameleon thing going on. The Crown Victoria, I think, the 4.6, pretty nice. More T10s, old school square bodies. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Look at this clean build. I actually like this one a lot. I like how you get the clean and simple. It's my style. All right, we got another cool wrap over here, guys. I actually like this one a lot. I wouldn't mind putting my car that color. Nice little vet. We got some more Corvettes. We got some Jeep action going on over here, guys. Damn, look at that Jeep. Oh, it's not a Jeep, it's a Hummer, bro. Look at the size of those wheels. They're almost the size of you. Right. And a nice Corvette over here, like a salmon color, the pink. Little GTI Go. This Lambs community. We got some classic cars over here as well. Look at this beauty. Real old school. This is Impala. We got 350Z. I don't know what car that is, but we'll check it out in a bit. Well, you like this color? Pretty nice.
I can drive one of those.
Oh, you like that style, huh? I like it too, actually. Like if I were to get like a tuner car, JDM, I'd go with 350Z.
I like the one in the middle because it's shorter, like
The white one? Oh,
like
okay.
in that color.
Yeah.
I would drive one of those. I look cute in it.
They got the Supra, I think, or Toyota. Yeah.
I like
Brand new one.
it. Looks a little new.
Yeah. No crazy rap going on. Well, check out this one. You can see the motor. It's a pretty crazy hood, guys. That's clean. This guy ain't trying to hide anything. The off-white. Pretty king with a miniature version of him. The slam community, we got some more. Huh? The doors. Yeah, it's crazy. It's a crazy build. Got some more slam stang. It's pretty bag, guys. Some bag stangs. That blue one or the yellow one? Yeah, the blue one's like a newer, not a 350, it's a 370Z. So it's like the same family, but same but different. We got Good Chow McQueen over here. It's pretty clean. Nice wrap. That's commitment right there. Damn, look at this car. DSS. Look at this audio setup. Some big speakers, guys. Watch out. Sounds like the car I heard from far away, guys. Look at this car over here. It's a nice wrap. We got the G-Wagon, guys. Nice matte color. Audi, Camaro, the little nice SS. We got Woodman Driven. It's another car club, or Driven Racing, I guess. They have. Got some more drop trucks. We got a Mustang over here. I don't know about you guys, but here where I'm from, we're used to drop trucks. They're everywhere. Way too loud, but I like it. They're having a rev competition over there. We got a pair of Evos over here, guys. Got a white one. The red one's the one that caught my attention. Red with the blue wheels. Some white wheels on this Honda. You got a nice truck over here. Oh, it's pretty cool, guys. You got Deadpool in there. This nice little black and red Corvette. What's better than one Corvette, two Corvettes? It's a nice build. We got some custom paintwork on the hoods. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I liked it, and make sure to follow my Instagram if you guys want to check out some pictures at the meet. Subscribe guys if you haven't, and I'll see you guys the next time.